Check this out. Can you hear? All right. What's up, YouTube? Aloha. How do you like the video I posted yesterday? It was all Hawaiian look, beautiful. I wish one day I can go to Hawaii. But anyway, meanwhile, today I am gonna cook a treat. Something I saw on Instagram yesterday, and I was like, boom, I wanna eat that, I wanna cook that. So let's just do it. Okay, for this treat, it's kind of like, it's called watermelon cake, but to me it's a treat. So you're gonna need a watermelon, a full watermelon or a piece of watermelon. Like this is my case because I'm just gonna do a small portion. I don't want to go all crazy. And then you're gonna need a knife. Okay. And then for the cover, you're gonna need a yogurt or this thing that I don't know what it is, but it tastes really good. I think it's some sort of dairy product, healthy one, because it doesn't have any sugar. And to make it a little bit sweet, honey here. Ooh. And then some raisins, see, and nuts. And for the decoration, I just want to add this other part, pink sugar. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Should I put the camera? Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down so you get to see. Hi, what's up, YouTube? Okay, I'm gonna put it down like this so you get to see. Let's put the light there. Okay, now we're cooking. We're gonna be cooking. Well, it's not like cooking, but just like getting this watermelon all chopped. I'm gonna try to make it square because let's remove this here. I'm gonna use the plate to place the watermelon. So we cut the watermelon like this on the side first, so you get more like square and easier. What in a mess I'm gonna be getting here. Okay, and then cut this one out, this one out. Don't worry about the pieces I'm cutting. Like this one is not gonna go wasted, okay? It's just, I'm gonna use it for decoration. So I'm trying to make it kind of like a rectangular thing, see? So that way it looks kind of like a piece of cake. Trying to even up like this. But of course you can do it like round, like a round cake. Place it on the plate like so. It looks pretty, doesn't it? So this is a great time for me to learn new recipes and at the same time apply these new things that I'm learning online, on YouTube, on Instagram, or whatever. Okay, now let's get the icing part. Oh, okay, I forgot to bring. What you're gonna need, anyways, 1 spoon of honey, like so, to make it sweet, and then this dairy product that I don't know what it is, but it tastes really good. I tried one of those with honey. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And a little bit of yogurt, a plain yogurt, because we want it to be low calorie. Okay, mix it all up, stir. It looks pretty, doesn't it? and smell good. Okay, and then once this one is done, you just use this thing and cover it up. Oh my gosh, look at this mess. Can you see? Okay, see what I'm doing here? Here we go. Let's clean it up all the time. And then for decoration, look at this tree. Use a little bit of this. Let's see if I can do a heart. We'll try. A pink heart, which it doesn't look like a heart, but it's gonna taste very, very good. Raisins, you like them? And then little pieces of nuts. And that's it. Ta-da! That's your healthy treat for today. Check this out. It looks like a mess, but I'm pretty sure it tastes really good. Holy cow. Absolutely delicious. Would you like some? Okay. And that was the video for today. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday and try this recipe. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.